Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at how you can do calculation and use formula in Microsoft Word. Just like spreadsheet, word processor like Microsoft Word have inbuilt formula and functions that you can use to perform calculation, find average, find largest value among others. Today I want to look at product function and multiplying values in a Microsoft Word table. To perform calculations and use those formula and function, your values to be used must be entered in a table. To insert a table, click on Insert tab, click the down arrow under the Table button. Click Insert Table and enter the number of rows and column and then click OK. In the table that we have just created, enter the data as shown in the screenshot. Now let's start by finding the total pay for each employee. There are two ways to do that. 1. By using product function, that is equals product, left, this will multiply all the numeric value to the left of the current cell. I am using Office 2013 and to start click on the cell where you wish to get total pay, on the layout click formula. By default the sum function will be active, change to product. Note that equals product, left, will multiply all numeric values on the left of the current cell while equals product, above, will multiply all numeric values above the current cell. Also you can use equals product, right, to multiply all numeric values to the right of the current cell and equals product, below, to multiply all numeric values below the current cell. Just like in spreadsheet, you can use cell reference inside your formula, for example. Equals product, C5H5, to find total pay for values in cell range C5 to H5. The second way to find product is by using a formula, for example equals C5D5E5 asterisk F5. That marks the end of today's tutorial. Make sure you have done some practice. Stay tuned. Comment on this video, like, share with your friends and family. Please hit that subscribe button. Subscribe for more tutorials.